Barbara is a Horizon 2020 project named as biopolymers with advanced functionalities for building and automotive parts processed through additive manufacturing. Barbara is a project funded by the Bio-Based Industry BBI, a private-public partnership with the aim of accelerating the circular bioeconomy in Europe, where the basic building blocks for chemicals, materials and advanced biofuels are derived from renewable biological resources. The main stages in the Barbara project are gathering of biomass resources, extraction and modification of bio-based components obtained from natural waste and byproducts, formulation and processing for additive manufacturing by 3D technology, and validation of the Barbara 3D printed biomaterial-based prototypes. The Barbara project aims to develop new bio-based materials with innovative functionalities through fused filament fabrication 3D printing. Food waste and agricultural byproducts will be used to purify pigments, fragrances, reinforcing agents or biocide compounds, which will be incorporated into engineered bioplastics derived from corn processing industries. These new materials will be transformed into prototypes with customized properties, mechanical and thermal resistance, surface or color appearance, fragrance release or self-sanitizing surfaces, to be validated for their use in two highly demanding sectors such as the construction and automotive industries. FECOAM, an agricultural cooperative from the Murcia region in Spain, is the partner in charge of providing lemon, pomegranate, broccoli and almond shell residues. The University of Alicante takes care of the extraction of biofunctional molecules, natural dyes, essential oils, antimicrobial molecules and reinforcement agents from agricultural residues. The extracted functional additives will be encapsulated into natural nanoclays to convert them into natural biomaterials ready to be inserted in biopolymer matrices. In addition, the UA is the leader of dissemination of the whole project. KTH is in charge of extracting polysaccharides as well as amino and organic acids from corn kernel. Then, the building blocks for multifunctional biocomposites will be blended with other engineering bioplastic matrices. Upscaling of the previous procedures from laboratory to pilot scale will be carried out by the Belgian company Celabor, whose role is essential to assess the success of the Barbara products and methods as a good example of a new circular bioeconomy approach. The Spanish company Nurel is working in coordination with KTH in the preparation of functionalized biopolyester and biopolyamide blends. A second generation of products will then be prepared by Nurel and Techno Packaging, both located in Zaragoza, Spain. Advanced biocomposites will be developed from master batch formulations used for the fabrication of fused filaments typically used in FDM 3D printing technology. ITEEP, as the coordinator of the Barbara Consortium, is in charge of the customization of the design and generation of 3D printed functionalized biomaterials for the final steps. The University of Perugia in Italy is taking care of the environmental assessment covering the sustainability and economic issues. Acciona, a Spanish building and construction company, will validate the mechanical and thermal resistance of the 3D printed biomolds for truss joints in civil work. From the automotive sector, the Centre of Research Fiat, Italy, will validate the aesthetical and reinforce functional features of 3D printed biomaterials for door handles and dashboard fascia in cars. They will also lead the intellectual property rights and business strategy of the overall consortium.